Hi dear friends, today I'm going to present you something very new. Finally I found a vacuum suction magnetic bracket for you guys. It is going to make a magic. You can use it on the wall, you can use it on the table, you can use it on the stage, you can use it in your car, but it is going to work really hard. It is a magnetic suction vacuum. So, looking for the ultimate hands-free setup for your phone? Whether you are driving, cooking in the kitchen, working at your desk, or relaxing, the Vacuum's X68 vacuum suction magnetic bracket is built to mount anywhere from your car dashboard to walls and cupboards. In this video, we unbox the Tex X68 to see if the ultra strong vacuum suction and magnetic hole live up to the hype. Now, as you see, I put it on the wall. It's stuck very hard. It keeps your mobile very tight. Now I'm putting it on the table. You see it very well. Look at the table. I move it. I try to unstick it, but it remains stable. Now if you see in this picture, it is on the mirror. It is on the car. Now I put it in my car. You can use it. Now look, it keeps your mobile very strict. It is movable 360-degree. You can up, you can down, everything. There are key features highlight powerful vacuum suction. Sticks firmly to smooth surfaces like car, dashboards, glass, walls, and cupboards without slipping. Strong magnetic attraction snaps your phone into a place instantly and holds it securely. Another feature 360-degree rotation. Effortlessly rotate your phone to portrait or landscape mode for optimal viewing angles. One-handed operation. Mount and detach your phone seamlessly in seconds. Compact and adjustable. Sleek design that doesn't block your view or take up unnecessary space. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gadget reviews and tech updates. Drop a comment below if you have any question about this holder. Now I presented you one of the best vacuum suction magnetic. It can be sticked on the table, on the wall, on the mirror, in your car, dashboards, everything. If you see there is an extra sticky plate for that, you can put it there. It sticks very firmly. You can put your mobile. You can see the navigation for your car. Long distances, you need this kind of suction. It's magnetic. It is very nice. Look, I put my mobile there. How it works? It works really well. You can use it. Put it there, connect it, and leave it. Landscape or horizontal, both of them you can use. It is very nice. It is one of the best suction cleaner that I have bring it for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it, share it, comment and subscribe. Wait for the more videos like this. I'm going to present some of the best products to you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching my video. Stay blessed. Keep updated.